Today is day 8 of the joint trial with Joseph Lawson and Brooks Houck, both of whom are charged in connection to the disappearance and presumed death of missing Bardstown, Kentucky mother Crystal Rogers. Rogers was last seen on July 3rd, 2015. Today is the 10-year anniversary of her disappearance, and on this day in 2025, defense attorneys are aiming to convince a jury that neither Brooks nor Joseph Lawson had any hand in her disappearance. On Wednesday, jurors heard testimony from Rhonda McIlvoy. She's the younger sister of Brooks Houck and Nick Houck, and she testified that the Houck family became suspects in the police investigation almost immediately after Rogers disappeared. She talked about the impact that this had on her family, saying that the threats and accusations became so severe she had to move her children's schools twice in 2015 before ultimately deciding to move out of the state later that same year. And this elicited an emotional response from Brooks Houck, who has been relatively attentive and stoic throughout the duration of this trial. But as his younger sister testified, he became emotional and appeared to struggle to hold back tears. Also called into question were those secret grand jury recordings that members of the Houck family participated in prior to Brooks Houck's arrest. Rhonda McIlvoy testified that the family had no prior discussion or meeting about collectively recording these grand jury proceedings. She said that she didn't learn of other members of the Houck family recording the same testimony until news broke that they had done so. She said that she made the decision to go into the grand jury and record so she could have proof of what she did and did not say. Her and her family were so paranoid from the severity of the accusations and threats from the public and police, she felt she had to record the testimony. But when she was confronted with audio that contained her and Brooks having a conversation prior to going in the grand jury room, Rhonda said she wasn't denying that they had a conversation before, but that she couldn't remember it. My name is Taylor Six, and I'm the crime and courts reporter for the Lexington Herald Leader.